What if you never had to stress about making it to the next paycheck again? Just imagine waking up every day knowing that financial pressure is a thing of the past. And I've been there, worried, the stress of wondering if there would be enough to cover everything. It's exhausting. But then I found something that changed everything. It's an online business program with a supportive community that is teaching me how to build a business that works for me. The program is teaching me how to make a daily income so I no longer have to worry about bills or how I'm going to pay off my credit cards. And I don't have to calculate before I go to the grocery store. I work only 2 hours a day, which give me enough time to spend with my fiance and my family. The program teaching me how to set up my business on autopilot. And the best part, it's done for you business. I don't have to create the landing page, the capture page, or even the videos. It was all done for me. So if you are ready to leave that paycheck to paycheck life behind, type I am ready in the comments and I will love to show you exactly how to get it started and create the life you have been dreamed of.